Hello students, myself Harshal Madeshwar, yet with another question for the topic green chemistry, and the question is percent atom economy for the first year engineering chemistry paper. The question is calculate the percentage of atom economy for the following synthesis process of propene. Here we have the reactant propanol and the product propene. Let's see how to solve this question. So by the formula is percent atom economy is equal to the molecular weight of the product, upon the molecular weight of the reactant into 100. So here we will just recall some of the important molecular weights, which is frequently used, such as carbon, which is the value is 12, oxygen value is 16, nitrogen value is 14, hydrogen is 1, and chlorine is 35.5. So we will solve this question in two parts. The first is the molecular weight of the product. Second is the molecular weight of the reactant. So the molecular weight of the product is propene. So we will see propene. Here we have carbon, which is in the carbon of the product. We have carbon 1, 2 and 3 carbon. So 12 into 3, which is 36. And for hydrogen, we have 2, 3 and 6 hydrogen. 6 into 1, which is 6. The total comes out to be 42. And for the molecular weight of the reactant propanol, we have carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. For carbon, value is we have total number of carbon is 3, which is 12 into 3, which is 36. And for the hydrogen, the number of hydrogens we will calculate 3 plus 2 plus 2, which is 7 and 8. So 8 into 1, which is 8, and 1 oxygen for the molecular weight, which is 16 into 1 is 16. And all the totals comes out to be 60. So just we have to put these values in the formula. So percent atom economy, which is the molecular weight of the product, we have find out which is 42 upon the molecular weight of the reactant, which is 60 into 100. So we will, by calculating, we get the percentage atom economy as 70%. Hope you like the video.